Where's your nose?
Okay, let's try that again.
Hey, Ethan. Where's your nose? Yeah. Clap. Yeah. Where's your ears? Yeah. What does the doggy say? Woo woo. What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the birdie say? What's the... Yeah. What does the bear say? What's the bear say? Rawr. Where's your ears? Yeah.
Ethan.
You do all this great stuff, and all of a sudden it's like, which way did it go, George? Which way did it go?
Ethan. Where's your belly button?
Where's it at?
Where? Ethan.
Ethan, hey. Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button?
Show us your belly button. Yeah, good job.
Ethan, clap. Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Where's your nose?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.